Damn, he just rolled by like nothing. Didn't even look. He did probably. He probably did give us a finger. Couldn't they pick a better spot to hold us up? 200 cars back here, buddy. Shut her down, guys. We're here till morning. Take out the sleeping bag. Whew. Man, it's crazy. Another drink a little water while we sit. Caliente. Mucho calor. Woo, what a rip, baby. Oh, there he is. Man, it's a real deal. What are they doing? Camping? They having dinner. Oh God, how'd he get to go? He said, take it easy. Go slow. Man, it is fucking hot, bitch. Motherfucker. I'm up there cutting to look back here, getting a little excited, man. Look out. He's looking excited. I believe you're right. I believe you're right.
Oh, there you go.
What's happening?
He's fucking on it.
I'm dropping it. There. Right here. Okay. What kind of motorcycle is that? A who, what, where? A YB? B? Yeah. That's cool. Tell Mom to turn around.